How to know who is stalking you on Facebook. First of all, Facebook does not let people track who views their profile. Third-party apps also can't provide this functionality, but we are here with some legitimate ways to understand your engagement. First of all, if you post your stories, you can see exactly who viewed them. This is the only clear insight who is into interacting with your profile. Then, check who consistently likes, comments, or shares your post. It indicates the frequent viewers. If someone appears frequently in people you may know or suggested friends, it might mean they have visited your profile or interacted with similar groups or pages. If you manage a Facebook page, you can view visitor analytics under Meta Business Suite and Insight, and this shows demographics and traffic patterns but not for the individual users. If you are worried about someone stalking your profile, then you can make your profile private as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.